Yo guys, I'm in this business now. I'm in the business of catching spikes on boom and crash. So take a look at this market now. This is crash 1000, and for days now I've been catching spikes on boom and crash. If you check my free Telegram channel, you can see that I've been giving these signals to even the free guys and the VIP. They have been making consistent profits, so much profit from the boom and crash market. Not just boom and crash markets, I give signal on all the VIX and even currency as well. So if you want to benefit, you want to copy my signals, kindly check the description to join the free Telegram channel. And before I start, please always like my video. All right, whenever you see my video popped up, like my video, and please drop some good comments. It helps move the video. And also, if not subscribed to this channel, kindly do that. Now in this video I'll show you guys why it's pretty simple for me to catch spikes. It's no longer a big deal. All right, it's no longer a big deal to catch spikes, and this strategy I'm working on, and which I've seen improvements. The good thing about this strategy is it gives you so many so many setups in a day. And the bad thing about this strategy is taking so many setups or signals in a day. What does that mean? Because if you trade more in a day, it does not bring clarity. But if you trade less or you see less setups, it gives clarity. But what I'm trying to do now, I'm still back testing to see how I can filter and reduce the less high probability setups. I'll only be taking the high probability setups. So I want you guys to join the free Telegram channel to be able to benefit from the signals that will be coming. This wave that is coming, bro, you will love it. So now crash 1000, and I'm also waiting for boom 600. Let me see. Yeah, boom 600. I'll be selling boom 600 after the closing of the 1 hour. If it closes bearish like this, I'll be selling it. All right, I've shared it with my mentees to the community, and they are aware of this setup right now. I'll be selling it. Let me check the 2 hours chart. Though I don't really enjoy going against the spike, but trust me, it looks like this one gonna be very sweet, and I will take the risk. My SL will be above this last line. All right, there's a reason I'm giving I'll be putting my SL above this last line. I'll be targeting this low. Oh my god, we might hold this trade for like one full day or more. Okay, but let's just see. Let's hope it closes like this. All right, you can see how strong the 1 hour is. I wanted to sell it around when I saw this confirmation on the 30 minutes. I wanted to short it somewhere here, but since I don't enjoy going against the spike unless I'm using the indicator, I would like to wait for market to actually give me a strong reason. Probably after the closing of this one, market will now pull back to this level, then I short it. It must give me that structure entry model, right? Entry. So yeah, now I'm back to crash 1000. Why did I give the sell on crash 1000? You can see the spikes that is happening, and this is the 15 minutes time frame, and this my TP1 and my TP2. All right, why did I give the sell? Now, as usual, we move down to our daily. This is our daily time frame, and you can see we are in a downtrend, strong downtrend, because market has been buying for quite a long time, and we have this empty space here that market has not traded into for a very long time. So we expect market to actually come down again to fill up all these spaces. It's not compulsory, it must not come back, but in most cases it does, because whatever goes up does what comes down. All right, so we are actually expecting the crash 1000 to keep coming down. Let's see on the weekly. You can see weekly has printed two strong bearish candlestick, which shows that we are likely keep coming down. All right, so back again to the daily. Now you can see yesterday went down to this level. Yesterday dropped down to this level here, and there was a massive push back to this level. And today candlestick went, today market went down, then it pulled back into this key level. How you see the key level? Because market has reversed here before. You can see this reversal around this level, and It's a key level for me. All right, it's a key level for me, and I know the markets will be going down again, though it's a bit scary because of the massive rejection that we experienced yesterday. You see the massive rejection that yesterday candlestick closed with closed bullish with massive rejection, so it's a bit scary why I could not risk more on this trade. I would have risked way too much, but I did not risk more because of the, you know, the rejection. So now we've gotten market back into a key level, and why the rejection is because we had a pullback. Since we are in a downtrend, markets will always want to pull back into a key level before the next drop. So that is what is actually happening on the lower time frame, which is the reason it caused that rejection on the daily time frame. Yeah, I understand it might look or sound a bit confusing, but if you follow up very well, if you're experienced, you understand what I'm trying to say. That's why it's not really a big deal. That's why you guys need to learn from someone that is experienced so as to understand this thing easily. You want to figure it out yourself, you can still do it. You can still keep spiking. You can still do it, but it will take you a while before you can, you know, figure it out properly with clarity. All right, so now we see that we are in a downtrend here. Obviously, we are in a downtrend on the daily and even on the 4 hours time frame. The only thing that was making me a bit scary was that made me a bit scary is the rejection on the daily previous yesterday, like the yesterday candlestick. But here on the daily 4 hours time, you can see it was as a result of this pullback into a key level, which is a correction for market to keep dropping again. That's the reason why we had that rejection on the daily time frame. So you need to understand that now market went back into a key level and is dropping. So we are in a downtrend. You can see high here. Market broke this key level and gave us a lower low. Market will want to pull back and drop again to give us another lower low. So that's the reason. Now, why did I give the call? Let me see on the, I think, 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, on the 15 minutes time frame, you can see market already kissed our key level, kissed my key level right here. I already kissed my key level right here and drop back, and this is what we call the last kiss. The last kiss. After coming back, market will want to go back to the key level to give us the last kiss, which is this level here. This is our last kiss right there, and after the last kiss, market is, you know, waving goodbye back into its proper or its actual direction. So after the last kiss, market is dropping into the actual level that is supposed to, which is down here. All right, to complete the swing. So you can see how simple it is to do this stuff. It might be hard for you because you're probably not really experienced, but that's why you need to look for a mentor, someone that knows this stuff better, to explain to you or to teach you, get you through. All right, so if you're looking for a place to learn, oh my god, yeah, sorry, my mic went off. I don't really know if you've gotten this stuff. I don't know why the mic keeps going off. Okay guys, sorry, my mic went off. I don't really know the reason why it keeps going off. All right, probably need to be charged, but I can't do that now because I'm making this video. I know it's here to be noisy, okay, because of sound around, noises around. So yeah, you can see that's the reason why I'm selling. It's not really a big deal like that. It will be dropping back into this level, which is the complete swing. Then that's it guys. So I really hope I've made it's clear and the mic did not off. I will check if the mic off some minutes ago, or if there's need for me to fill up those places that the mic did not record. All right, so yeah, that's it for now. Please smash the like button, subscribe, and join the free Telegram channel. God bless you. Bye bye for now.